If someone asked me a month ago what I was going to be doing on April 1st, 2020, it definitely wouldn't be sitting here confined in my home on my ass eating Takis while pretending that my cat was one of many exotic animals at my shady private zoo. Here's a glam makeup look you can wear on the set of your next big country music video, or possibly to plot the murder of your second husband. All right, cool cats and kittens. Here's the tutorial. Sit down, buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Anyways, that is the complete makeup look. And from me and my miniature tiger, you have a fabulous day. Thank you. Bye.